This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening OKEx and switching to the demo wallet so you can trade risk-free. First, sign in and locate demo mode in your profile, then request virtual funds, which the platform supplies instantly. Once done, pick the market you want, spot, margin, or derivatives, because your learning path depends on the instrument. Make sure to match demo settings to live conditions so your practice transfers cleanly to real trading later. Now you place your first demo trades and engage the interface. Choose order type, market for instant fills, limit to control entry, or stop limit for conditional orders, and enter size in base units or dollars. Next, open the chart and apply indicators like moving averages and RSI, draw support and resistance to plan entries. Finally, use the leverage slider and add stop loss and take profit orders so you practice risk control. This mirrors real execution and builds disciplined habits. Finish by reviewing every trade you made in the trade history and portfolio screens. Look for recurring mistakes and note them. Once reviewed, iterate. Change indicators, timeframes, and position sizing, then run the same scenarios until the outcomes stabilize. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot quickly. Verify you are still in demo mode, confirm demo balance is available, clear app cache or reload the web client, and retry the order. These steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.